Jim, today is December 11th, Wednesday, and this is the first episode of Daily Investing Analysis जो कि मैं YouTube पे पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ. So, सबसे पहले आपको बता दूं, my name is Khizr Javed, you can call me Cage, and I work with a group of best crypto investors and researchers on the planet. So, in very simple words, I am one of the best. My entire job is to go through all sorts of data on the daily basis and try to predict next market moves and position myself according to that so I can make most amount of gains. Simple. So, मैं educate भी करता हूँ. If you, I'm gonna show you. This is my crypto investing masterclass. So this is where you get the complete path from beginner to becoming an expert, जहां पे मैं आपको सभी systems develop करना सिखाऊंगा जिनको यूज करके मैं खुद के decisions लेता हूं. So the analysis is not my decision making process. The analysis is understanding the market, what is happening in the current moment, what is most likely to happen in the future, अपनी expectation form करने के लिए. लेकिन decision making सिर्फ depend करती है systems पे. Now, you want to understand what are the systems. These are elite class, top secret, mathematical driven strategies जिनको use करके we take long or short position, we manage our holdings, we do asset selection and a lot of other things. So हमारी decision making सारी depend करती है on the systems and I am one of the best analyst. So I love to do analysis on the daily basis and this is what I'm going to do here to guide you guys के how to do it yourself and what to actually look for. क्योंकि अगर आप YouTube पे जाओ तो everyone is selling you same ineffective shit again and again and again, nothing interesting. charts पे दो lines लगाओ और उनसे breakout करके तो whatever, take the fucking trade on the some centralized exchange. But we don't do that. हम centralized exchanges पे lines लगा के trades नहीं लेते. हम long term में खुद को इस तरीके से पोजीशन करते हैं एंड वी मैनेज आवर पोर्टफोलियो इन सच अ वे वी बाय द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन्स एट एवरी स्टेज. सो मैं 57,000 से बिटकॉइन पे लॉन्ग हूं. 57,000 पे आई टोल्ड एवरीवन ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम दैट सेल योर हाउस, सेल योर ग्रैंडमास इनटू स्लेवरी एंड बाय बिटकॉइन. एंड मैं तब से अभी तक लॉन्ग हूं ऑन बिटकॉइन. इन बिटवीन जहां पे Ethereum was going to outperform Bitcoin, we allocated into Ethereum. जहां पे Solana was going to outperform Bitcoin or Ethereum, we allocated into Solana and other assets as well. This is what we do. So this is sort of an introduction for you guys today. Not gonna give it every single day, of course. But what we do is we create a best, the greatest risk managed, highest reward portfolio. एंड उनमें हम सबसे हाईएस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स सिलेक्ट करके उनको होल्ड करते हैं, ट्रेड करते हैं इन द मीडियम टर्म, इन द शॉर्ट टर्म, इन एवरी वे वी फॉर्म द बेस्ट स्ट्रेटजीज इन द होल क्रिप्टो मार्केट. और वो सब कुछ मैं अपनी मास्टर क्लास में सिखाता हूं जिसका मैंने पूरा पाथ ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. एनीवेज, इनफ ऑफ दैट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर वेट, लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, बिटकॉइन went down 2 दिन पहले. Of course it went down. Ethereum went more down. Solana went even more down. And total, I think this is a sort of representation. सबके portfolio अभी कहाँ पे stand कर रहे होंगे. All those who bought here or wherever, their portfolio would be down somewhere in these areas because this represent the total crypto market cap. So सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं, दिस इज द प्लेस जहां पे मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में एक्चुअली आई फॉरगॉट टू पुल अप द मैसेज. I wanted to show it to you guys, but I cannot do it in between this. Anyways, I told everyone inside my masterclass to cut their leverage, reduce their alt and meme coin holdings because we are going to have a pullback on alts. हम crash करने वाले हैं. सबको मैंने बताया था and my students, they listened, and what happened? All the meme coins, all the altcoins, they went 30% down, 20% down, 15% to 35% down. Fuck. What the fuck was that on? Done? Look at that. 28% down. बट हम इफेक्ट नहीं हुए बिकॉज वी कट आवर ऑल द लेवरेज हियर एंड we saved ourselves from all the drawdowns and we were able to capture the opportunity. मैंने सबको वो टारगेट्स दिए थे जहां पे प्राइस जाएगी and you can buy there and all of my students bought there which is very good. Anyways, enough of that. What is happening today? After of course इतना beat down होने के बाद we are going up but we are still in the range. So ये भी मैंने कल बताया था अपनी मास्टर क्लास में. I drew some ranges as well. If I get rid of these paths, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all the other tokens, they are in a range right now. So market दो directions में move करती है. It moves from trending to mean reverting. So market is either trending, जब स्ट्रेट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मार्केट जा रही होती है तो इट इज ट्रेंडिंग. जब मार्केट स्ट्रेट अपवर्ड्स नहीं जा रही होती तो इट इज मीन रिवर्टिंग. मीन रिवर्टिंग वो मार्केट होती है जो कि एक रेंज के अंदर ऑसिलेट करती है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ दिस वाज अ रेंज फ्रॉम, लेट मी पुल अप माय पेन, फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, द प्राइस वाज गोइंग अप डाउन in this range. So this is mean reverting and this is trending. This is called trending. जब price straight upwards जा रही हो. So right now the prices are in a mean reverting state. इसका क्या मतलब है ये भी मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बताया था कि unless there is a confirmed trend, जो कि हमें एग्जैक्टली पता चलेगा अगर बिटकॉइन इस लेवल से ऑलमोस्ट, व्हाट लेवल इज इट, द प्राइस, आई एम गोना गिव यू गाइस द प्राइस, 101.5 से अबव ब्रेक करके होल्ड करे एंड देन मूव्स अप, देन इट विल बी अ कंफर्म्ड ट्रेंड. उससे पहले बिटकॉइन यहां तक जा सकता है. इट कैन मूव डाउन, इट कैन मूव अप, इट कैन मूव डाउन, इट कैन डू व्हाटएवर इट वांट्स टू डू in the range and then moves up. So until the range is broken, this is a range. Until there is a confirmed trend, this is a range. Similarly on Ethereum, and this is moving up. Everything is, अगर हम देखें मार्केट में, everything is moving up. Of course इतना beat down होने के बाद it is going to move up, लेकिन it can simply, I'm not saying it is going to do same like this, लेकिन एक एग्जाम्पल, it can move up for another few days, then it can move down again. What's wrong with that? Anything can happen. Mean reverting market state आती है to destroy everyone. Not gonna curse, yeah, because I'm not sure कि YouTube की regulations क्या होती हैं. So I'm not gonna curse. This is what we are in right now. So nothing very much interesting in there. We are just going to wait for everything to get confirmed. और फिर हम देखेंगे कि what do we want to do in this phase. उसके बाद long term के लिए we are all set. We are already set. We have our bags in. We have our memes, our alts, our majors. Everything is allocated quite nicely. सिर्फ हमें इस एरिया में ये डिसाइड करना होगा कि हाउ डू वी एडजस्ट आवर लेवरेज एंड हाउ डू वी मेक द बेस्ट डिसीजंस गोइंग इनटू द नेक्स्ट लेग ऑफ द बुल मार्केट, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू गो टू वलहाला इन 2025. हम अभी 2025 में है भी नहीं एंड बुल मार्केट इज गोना कंटिन्यू टू एटलीस्ट हियर. डेट वाइज, प्राइस वाइज कहां तक जाती है हु नोस, बट वी आर ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड. अगेन हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग हमारे सिस्टम्स से आती है, जो कि डेवलप करने के लिए आपके पास सिर्फ एक रास्ता है, जो कि आप मेरी मास्टर क्लास ज्वाइन करो. सो वी आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय आवर सिस्टम्स एंड इनफ ऑफ द टॉकिंग अबाउट चार्ट्स. नाउ आई एम गोना मूव इनटू द डाटा टू सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट एंड व्हाट टू लुक फॉर. सो सबसे पहले आई कैन सी हियर एवरीथिंग इज पंपिंग सेम प्रोपोर्शन में. सो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जिसके ऊपर हाइपर फोकस किया जाए, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट बीटन डाउन एंड पंपिंग अप नाउ. So nothing interesting there. I want to look at funding rates. So फंडिंग रेट्स, इसको मैंने कुछ दिन पहले पहले भी शेयर किया था, जिसके वजह से आई केम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ए पुल बैक ऑन ऑल्ट्स because this is large cap, so these are all large cap tokens. As you can see, the funding is almost reset all the way, so it is near to very like extremely low. If you look here, we have negative funding, and even in the mid caps and small caps pay, we have funding completely wiped out. So this is something which is good to see, which is excellent to see. Ondo pay, there is negative funding, so you are being paid to open the position on Ondo. If I talk about 4 hours, nothing, there is no warning sign as far as funding is concerned, because it is completely wiped out. People are maybe feared because they believe that prices are going to go down, so they're not opening up a lot of leverage positions. So funding का मैं अगर आपको ये मतलब बताऊं, तो it is आप परपेचुअल फ्यूचर्स पे जो पोजीशन ओपन कर रहे हो, उसके लिए जो आप मनी बोरो कर रहे हो, उसके आप कितना फंडिंग रेट दे रहे हो. So there is a fee you have to pay. So that is called funding rate. So when there is high funding and prices are not moving, just like here, there was extremely high funding, not on Bitcoin, but on alts. There was extremely high funding and prices were not moving very much up. So everything was very slow. जिसकी वजह से I came to a conclusion that we are going to have a sharp pullback on alts. There were some other metrics, other things as well, जो कि ये suggest कर रही थी. लेकिन this was one of the factor. Anyways, so when people are in a long position and they are paying the funding rate, और funding rate increase हो जाता है and prices उतनी move नहीं कर रही, तो people are going to close their long positions because वो extra fees pay नहीं करना चाहते. Anyways, that is going to be it from here. I'm going to move next, stablecoin ratio channel. So I'm not going to explain everything I'm looking at. मैं हर चीज अगर explain करने बैठूं कि how everything works, it is going to be 3 hour long analysis. I cannot do that. So अगर आपको कोई भी चीज interesting लगती है, you want to know how this works and what does it mean, go search it on ChatGPT. Do some work because it is not easy to make money in crypto. You have to put in work. So stablecoin ratio channel, which is declining and weakening, which is I wouldn't say that is good, but I do want to see it go somewhere around these areas and then revert back up. So this is, मैं साथ में आपको ये जरूर बताता रहूंगा कि जो भी मैं देख रहा हूं, what does it suggest in the short to medium term. So this in the short to medium term suggests some consolidation. Consolidation का again मतलब है price moving sideways for a while. And then there is choppiness index. So this is a new one for my masterclass students. अगर आप लोग देख रहे हो, you haven't seen this before, I'm going to cover it today. So this is choppiness index. This one is 1 week to 10 week. इसके ऊपर मैं proper analysis नहीं कर पाया, trying to see if that perfectly कि ये क्या indicate करता है. But if we look at 1 month, you can see here, this acts as a trend exhaustion indicator. If we look here, and this area, when it is declining ऊपर से नीचे, it is showing the trending period, and here it is showing the trend exhaustion. Similarly यहाँ पे it is showing the trend exhaustion, जिसके बाद it starts to move up again. Then again here it is showing the trend exhaustion, जिसके बाद it starts to move up, and as you can see here, it is moving down, जो कि सपोर्ट कर रहा है इस चीज को कि वेरी सून वी आर गोना गो अप इनटू these kind of phases. These kind of phases, we're gonna have something like this. So this is what is suggesting, लेकिन ये थोड़ा long term indicator है. So in the medium to very short term, we can still might consolidate while it moves sideways a bit, and then it is going to move down, and we're gonna move up the prices into here. This is what is most likely to happen. I have a very good understanding of reading the data and the charts and what they represent. So आपको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, अगर कोई फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा है, अगर आप रोज देखते रहोगे तो मैं यहां पे हूं आपको गाइड करने के लिए एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द वे हाउ टू डू व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. बट ओनली थिंग यू कैन डू इट बाय पेइंग अटेंशन एंड learning with passion. Open interest went down, which was very good to see. Very good to see. This was another thing जिसने यहाँ पे suggest किया था that everything is very overheated and it needs to cool down. जिसके बाद मैंने अपने students को कहा था कि we are gonna go into the mean reverting state. So open interest has moved down and bounced back up a few days back, and now it is moving downwards nicely, which is good. Very good to see. Funding rates low, very low, जैसा हमने वेलो वेबसाइट पे देखा था. So this is also suggesting that funding is very low. I'm gonna go to the liquidation heat maps to see. So this is from CoinAnk, and I like to look liquidations from two websites. First from CoinAnk and then CoinGlass. So if I look at BTC, last 24 hours में there are more shorts building. Last 48 hours में, let's see what is happening. There are some shorts building again. So I want to look at 3 days because Bitcoin pay liquidation was 3 days back. And now there are some longs building at 93.2, 92. So this is something which could be concerning if price decides to go down. If it goes below 95, it can potentially move to 93. लेकिन उसके लिए not sure if it is going to happen. ज़्यादा cluster है on the upside, so this can compel price to stay in this range for very short term. And now I want to look at the CoinAnk one. Before that, I want to look at the liquidations of Ethereum, because currently Ethereum is the dominant major in our systems. उसकी वजह क्या है मैं आपको अभी बताता हूँ. Because ETH BTC ratio is long, which is down in the past few days, लेकिन it is strong and probably going to move forwards as we enter into the retard zone and Ethereum is going to outperform. लेकिन again, this is not a signal. This is not a I'm saying कि buy Ethereum over Bitcoin. No. Again, हमारी decision making सिर्फ और सिर्फ systems पे depend करती है. So whatever my system tells me that if Ethereum is going to outperform BTC, my systems are going to tell me और मैं उसको follow करूँगा. If Bitcoin is going to outperform Ethereum, मेरे systems मुझे वो भी बता देंगे और मैं सिर्फ उनको follow करूँगा. If Solana या फिर कोई भी other token is going to outperform my current holding, मेरे systems मुझे guide करेंगे और मैं अपने systems को follow करूँगा. So this is how I make my decisions, my portfolio decisions. I make like this. Everything else I use to manage my expectations going into the next phases. So I hope this is well and clear right now. Again, gonna go through the Ethereum liquidations and oh my god. Ethereum liquidations are very heavy on the top side. If I look at ETH here, 2 weeks. So Ethereum पे बहुत सी short liquidations है जो कि CoinAnk में शो नहीं हो रही, and it is suggesting that people are longing it a lot from 3400. So let's look at 3400. So if we were to pull back from here, जो कि मैं expect भी कर रहा हूँ, that price is going to ping pong in these areas, gonna move down again, then move up. So potentially 3400 it was, which is somewhere here, and this can very well happen. Price can very well move down, take out those liquidation and then move back up to go into the next leg. I'm not saying कि this is exactly which is going to happen. इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि मैं यहां पे सेल कर दूंगा यहां पे बाय करने के लिए. Never sell your tokens at the top in the bull market to buy back at lower prices. This is one of the rule. And there are a lot of things. Actually, मुझे याद है, in my master class, it is all about rules and regulation and how things work and how to do things. So if you are not there, you are missing out and you will not learn exactly how to do what I'm doing. Anyways, so that is it for the liquidations. I wanna see Solana as well, by the way, because of course I'm interested in Solana. As far as I remember, Solana Pay, there were a lot of liquidations. Oh yeah, juicy area 250 level. So अगर price यहाँ तक move करे or it goes on to take out the liquidation, it can potentially go to 250, somewhere between 247 to 255. Again मैं ये open कर लेता हूँ. So interesting, 247 to 264. और यही exactly मैं anticipate करूँ that it is going to move somewhere around here, take out the liquidation and then maybe move back or do whatever it wants, or maybe even go somewhere around here and move up. Now, I want to look at other things. So funding is covered. Bitcoin futures OI versus price change is in deleveraging sell-off, so people are feared, which is good to see. App ranking फर्स्ट पे थी 2 दिन पहले एंड नाउ इट इज ऑन 5th, जो कि मुझे ये बता रहा है कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो कि लिक्विडेट हुए हैं, they have left crypto, which is fantastic to see. They got destroyed, absolutely destroyed, and now they left crypto. They were like, oh, fuck crypto, we don't want whatever they can. जो इंटेलिजेंस के साथ, जो डाटा के साथ कुछ नहीं करते, they deserve this. जो गैम्बल करते हैं, they deserve to lose their money. Percent supply and profit moving down, oscillating in this area. Similar type of behavior जो कि मैं day 1 से यही कह रहा था कि we're gonna see similar type of behavior somewhere around here. And what else do we have? So this is a long term thing. सब चीजों के बाद मैं इसको बताऊंगा. And now I'm gonna move into some interesting tweets. मैं intelligent crypto investors और researchers की tweets और news देखना पसंद करता हूँ to see what is happening and maybe there is something useful for me. So this guy has said there is a strong buy signal on net taker volume BTC Binance. So I have went through this and आप देख सकते हो कि he's talking about this signal. So, and he has also said that success rate over the last 2 months is very high. 2 months का डाटा, 2 months के डाटा पे सक्सेस रेट हमारे लिए मैटर नहीं करता. हम इतनी लंबी टाइम सीरीज में से 2 months के डाटा के ऊपर अगर सक्सेस है तो why would we follow that? So we look at everything. So if we try to look at everything, because we are professional, at least I am, so I cannot be psyoped. कोई मुझे पागल नहीं बना सकता because I have a very high understanding of everything. So if we look at this here, you can see this was a buy signal जब prices नीचे जा रही थी. So why is this here? Now this one, this is a buy signal जब prices नीचे जा रही थी. उसके बाद yeah, it moved up. But what was this? This was a buy signal as well. This is not right. And what about this one? Because this was also not a buy signal because उसके बाद price was consolidating for another month. So this shouldn't be a buy signal. This one could be classified as okay. And this one could be classified as okay. लेकिन उससे पहले you can see here we had the buy signal all this way. Now if we talk about this one, how come this have a buy signal here? So this is something which I wouldn't prefer to see, और इसके ऊपर मैं अपनी कोई expectation नहीं form करने लगा. So be aware, this guy may be intelligent, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे prove that this is not very useful. Do not get psyoped by these kind of things. लोग आपको कोई भी चार्ट्स ओपन करके, किसी भी तरह का डाटा ओपन करके कुछ भी सेल करने की कोशिश करेंगे, बेशक वो आपको मार्केट की डायरेक्शन सेल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं सेल कर सकते. वाई? बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी हाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. इसीलिए आई नो कि दिस इज नॉट राइट. देर आर मेनी मोर यूजफुल थिंग्स जिनसे हम बहुत सा गुड डाटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो इफ वी गो टू हियर, now this is, I have named this dashboard the glitch in the matrix. ये मेरा खुद का डैशबोर्ड है एंड यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत से इंडिकेटर्स ऐड किए हैं. सम ऑफ देम आर लॉन्ग टर्म, सम ऑफ देम आर वैल्यूएशन, सम ऑफ देम आर शॉर्ट टर्म, मीन रिवर्टिंग, ट्रेंड फॉलोइंग, ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ. मैं यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूंगा. ऑफ कोर्स माय मास्टर क्लास स्टूडेंट्स, मैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ हर चीज. एनीवेज, इनको मैं सॉर्ट आउट करूंगा. आई एम गोना प्रोवाइड द लिंक टू दिस डैशबोर्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज मेट्रिक्स मैं इनको देखता हूँ डेली बेसिस पे टू फॉर्म द बेस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशंस. And you can also look at these metrics, add them to your favorite and your dashboard. You can follow my dashboard. I keep on adding interesting, useful metrics here. Or जो useful नहीं होते, I remove them with time. So anyways, we're gonna move through this to see. Sentiment vote down. उसके अलावा what is good to see in the short term holder MVRV which is going down. Good to see. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये अपने इससे below standard deviation band पे है. Then in the medium to long term we are in the bull market. Sorry, not bear market. Then UTXO. Oh, come on. UTXO is going down nicely. So ये indicate कर रहा है that we are good to push for another leg. VDD multiple is nice and low. We still have a lot of room to go before we see any significant peak. Because long-term holders distribute नहीं कर रहे. There are short-term holders right now जो के distribute कर रहे हैं. So you can see it here. So the new money coming in, new money was coming in here and new money has been distributing here. So यहाँ पे इन prices पे new money exit कर रही है. New money का मतलब short term holders, वो लोग जो के peanuts collect करते हैं, लेकिन हम peanuts नहीं collect करते. We play long term games. Market cap change and Bitcoin price showed a negative signal, which is good. This is in our favor. So you should correct that we are very much cooled down in the short term. And realized profit and loss ratio, nice and low. What else? Do I have anything else interesting? Futures open interest, इसको already मैंने cover कर दिया. Then I want to see ADX. So ADX is also bottoming, which is fantastic to see. So this is also some sort of, I would say, trend exhaustion type of indicator, जो कि आपको ये बताता है कि you can see the exhaustion of a trend and possibly consolidation in the short period of time. So this is it from here. Average Bitcoin heat negative 6.36, which is good to see. काफी डेज से मैं इसको कवर कर रहा था and I wanted to see this low. This is another metric जो कि suggest कर रहा था in prices पे that we're gonna see some slow price movement and pull down. So it is good to see it going down now. Okay, so vertical accumulation, this is another tweet. Vertical accumulation similar to Q4 2020, but people want to be bearish here. I want to stay bullish. So this is a long-term thing. And as you can see here, yes, it is sort of playing the same, even though fractals are not real. Fractal का मतलब होता है taking something from the past and applying that exactly into the future. No, fractal exist नहीं करते. History does not repeat itself in the charts, but it often rhymes. So this could possibly suggest that we are ready and we can see some few more days the consolidation here, and then we can move into the next phase of this incredible bull market जिसमें we're gonna make shitload of money. Bitcoin value has all-time high today. You can interact with this chart. What was interesting here? Yeah, so इसका model ये suggest कर रहा है that whoops, I have broken this. This actually this is not the tweet जो कि मैंने देखनी थी because December 11th. Yep. So why is this showing 67,000? क्योंकि मुझे याद है कि पहले it was showing somewhere around 79,000 or 89,000 or something. Yeah, 89,000. So this was one. So इसका मॉडल ये सजेस्ट करे कि बिटकॉइन की फेयर वैल्यू 89,000 के अराउंड है एंड बिटकॉइन इज ओवर वैल्यूड इन द करंट मोमेंट. सो डायरेक्शन इसकी क्या होगी? एंड अगेन if Bitcoin is overbought, that does not mean it is going to go down to 89. It might very well go down to 89. अगर हम देखें तो it is not that bad. It is still in the range. So why cannot we expect Bitcoin to move down to 89 and then move up, take everyone out? क्योंकि last dip 89, 88 तक नहीं थी गई. So I do remember on Bybit it went down to 88. On Coinbase, it went down to 92. So there might very well be a lot of people जो कि यहाँ पे liquidate हो जाए. But it does not mean we're gonna do that. So what else do we have? So yes, this model is suggesting that Ethereum is very overbought in the current moment. So Ethereum का net taker volume is off the charts, जिसका मतलब है कि Ethereum is very overbought and we might possibly be seeing some sort of consolidation in the short term. And then we have a tweet from my G Thomas here, जिसने ये model show किया. So what he has done is he has taken the volatility indexes, WIX, S&P 500 implied volatility, and MOVE US Treasury bond implied volatility. And he has taken, I'm not going to read through all of this, but I do understand कि इसने क्या use किया इस model में, and this is very good. This is very good to see. Although मेरा long term trend probability indicator system इससे बहुत superior है और इससे बहुत, yeah, it is very very superior. My LTPI. And this could be very interesting. So has he given the code? Yeah, so he has given the code here as well. So what I can do is I can maybe do some changes, because what I don't like in this is this area. By the way, I like this area because it has captured this down movement. Then I don't like this क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं long रहना चाहूँगा. Then I don't like this, but fair enough, ये बहुत पुराना है, 2014-15. And in the current moment, if we see, it should have gone short somewhere around here, लेकिन still good enough. And if I zoom in, oops, so I can't. Anyways, this is good. This is very good to see. So this is still green, and I can certainly use this to develop something more superior and use that as a input in my LTPI. So a bearish news, जैसा Microsoft was discussing with the shareholders कि उनको बिटकॉइन होल्ड करना चाहिए या नहीं. सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट शेयर होल्डर्स वोट अगेंस्ट बिटकॉइन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रपोजल. हु केयर्स? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अगर नहीं बाय करेगा तो देयर आर गोइंग टू बी द होल वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू बाय बिटकॉइन. There is Trump administration, there is pro-crypto cabinet, there is pro-crypto president, there is pro-crypto SEC, there is pro-crypto everything in the world right now. And everyone is talking about the Bitcoin Strategic National Reserve. imagine what impact is it going to create on Bitcoin price going into 2025. The bull market is going to be incredible. So, do I have anything else to look at? I don't think so. And yes, so this one, जिसको मैंने कहा था कि I'm going to cover सबसे last पे. So, where are we in the cycle? Yes, here we are in the cycle, and here is probably where we're gonna go into the cycle. Although this is a single piece of information, but this is very well aligned with my valuation system, and this is a very good metric to simple term में ये check करने के लिए कि where we are in the cycle, and here we are, and here we're gonna go. So, what does everything mean for us in the short term? जैसा मैंने बताया कि short term में we're going to consolidate for another few days. So these next few days are going to be the last chance for you to get your cycle bags together. So we might very well see another dip. So अगर prices दोबारा यहाँ पे जाती है, if total crypto market goes down again, like so, that, or even in this area, wherever this area is going to be a buy place for you, for your cycle bags. Do you understand? So Christmas से पहले, next year start होने से पहले, if you get any further price declines, you are going to buy for the rest of the cycle. Don't do anything stupid in this range, because ranges बनती हैं to destroy normal people, because they think we are so back, it is so over. We are so back, it is so over. We are so back, it is so, oh, missed out. Do you understand? So don't do anything stupid. And अगर आपको signals चाहिए कि what are the highest performing tokens, आपको क्या बाय करना है, क्या बाय नहीं करना, because all of this is absolute trash. Absolute trash. कोई मैजिक टोकन आपको नहीं बचाएगा, कोई मैजिक इंडिकेटर आपको नहीं बचाएगा, कोई मैजिक प्रोजेक्ट आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करेगा. सब कुछ बनाया जाता है और आपको मार्केट किया जाता है टू टेक योर मनी अवे फ्रॉम यू. सब कुछ आपको मार्केट किया जाता है साइऑप करने के लिए, इस बिलीफ में डालने के लिए कि दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग एवर, दिस इज गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू मेक मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स ओवरनाइट. नो वन डज दैट. लक के साथ क्रिप्टो में आज तक कोई नहीं जीता. जो जीते भी हैं वो जीत के भी हारे हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू डू क्रिप्टो, how to become an independent expert in crypto, how to make your own decisions for the rest of your life, join my masterclass. It is paid. That is the price you will have to pay to value the education. If not a big deal. Stay poor and listen to other YouTubers जो कि आपको tokens chill करते हैं, exit liquidity generate करके आपके ऊपर dump कर देते हैं. Good luck watching them. अगर आप वो देख के सक्सेस हासिल कर सकते हो, गुड लक, बट एट द एंड यू आर गोना नो दैट यू वर रॉन्ग एंड आई वाज राइट. जैसे आई वाज राइट व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग एवरीवन टू बाय बिटकॉइन एट 97K, एंड आई टोल्ड everyone to take all the best decisions through these phase. We bought some wonderful meme coins जो के hundreds of percent, thousands of percent up गए. So if you want to make money and also learn how to do all of this yourself, join the masterclass. And this is going to be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Investing Analysis. Bye bye.